Good morning, students. In the last previous video, we have discussed the Newton's. We have discussed the Newton's law of cooling. Okay. What do you mean by this Newton's law of cooling? Okay, and its statement. Okay. This is all we have discussed in the last class. Now, in today's class, we are discussing the in today's class, we are discussing the perfectly black body. Perfectly black body. Okay. What is perfectly black body? Okay. A perfectly black body is a body which absorbs almost all the incident radiation when it incident on it. Okay. Such body is called as perfectly black body. Okay. A body which absorbs all the incident radiations when it is incident on when the radiations are incidented on the body, where it absorbs all the radiations. Such body is called as perfectly black. Okay. Now, next it is black body radiation. Black body radiation. Black body radiation. It is Ferris black body. Ferris black body. Okay. Now, what do you mean by this Ferris black body? Actually, this Ferris black body or a black body radiation is called what? Here it is a double hollow sphere. Double hollow sphere. Okay. Double walled hollow sphere. This is an evacuated chamber. This is an evacuated space. Evacuated space. It is empty space here, and there is one more layer of hollow sphere. Sphere is there, which is called as, hence it is called as a double hollow sphere, whose one side is having a hole here, and the other side it is having a conical shape. When this hole is allowed to incident the radiation on this conical shape. Okay. Now, after getting incident, it undergoes multiple reflections. Okay. It undergoes multiple reflections. And again, finally, okay, when it is undergoing some okay, so inside this hollow sphere, multiple reflections is going to take place, where the almost 99% of the incident radiation is being absorbed by this lamp black. So inside this hollow sphere, it is being coated with a lamp black. Lamp black. So where the lamp black is a perfectly black body, but actually here no such body is a perfectly black body. Okay, it absorbs. Perfectly body means where it absorbs almost all the incident radiations. So we are having not such body here. No such body is a perfectly black body here. Okay. So here also, whatever the radiations which are incidented inside this hollow sphere, they will get this undergo under the multiple reflections, where Internally, the radiations will go under multiple reflections, and after some time it emits some few radiations in the outside. So this is what the rays which are coming outside, radiations. 99% of the radiations is being absorbed. Okay. So that is what the Ferris black body. Okay. So the black body radiation, where it is emitting some few percent, almost 1% of the radiations is being emitted. Okay. So that is what about the black body radiation. Okay. So I'll write the definition here. Just to note down that. So this radiation which is coming out here, it is called as black body radiation. Black body radiation. Okay. So this is called as a conical projection. This is called as a conical projection. This conical projection avoids the direction of reflection. Okay. So that is what it has been kept as a conical shape here. It avoids the direction of the reflection. Okay. Now here 99% of the radiation is being absorbed, and the 1% of the radiation which is coming out, that is called as black body radiation. It is called as black body radiation. Now our next topic is that absorption, reflection and emission. Okay. Absorption, reflection and emission. Okay. Now if you take any body, okay, say for example we are having a body here. When some radiations are being incident on this body, some radiations will get reflected, some radiations are being absorbed by the body, and some few radiations they are being transmitted. This is incident ray, this is incident radiation. It is reflected, so I am denoting it as QR. Here it is denoted by QA. So QR means amount of heat which is reflected. This QA means amount of heat which is absorbed. Here this QT means amount of heat which is transmitted. Okay. So here I am writing this QA means amount of heat absorbed. QR means QR, here I am writing small r. Okay, QR means amount of heat reflected. Amount of heat reflected. QT means amount of heat transmitted. If you take any body, when some radiations are inside here, Q is the total amount of heat. This is the total amount of heat incidented. Okay. So this much amount of heat is incidenting, that means thermal radiations are incidented, and some radiations are being absorbed, some radiations are being reflected, some radiations are transmitted here. Okay. So So no such body is a 100% perfectly black body. In some or the other way, some few radiations they get reflected, some of them being absorbed and some of them being transmitted also. Okay. Now, hence here this total amount of heat is equal to QR plus QA plus QB. Okay. The total amount of heat is equal to the sum of the amount of heat which is reflected, which is absorbed, which is transmitted, is given by Q is equal to QR plus QA plus QB. If we divide both sides, take this as equation number 1. Dividing both sides by Q, we will get Q by Q is equal to QR by Q plus QA by Q plus QT by Q. So therefore, it becomes 1 is equal to R plus A plus T. Okay. So the sum of the reflection, absorption and transmission is equal to 1. Okay. So now here absorptive power is nothing but what? Absorptive power. Absorptive power. Absorptive power means it is the ratio of absorptive power to the total amount of heat. Okay. Now similarly, refractive power. Okay. This is absorptive power. Absorptive power is equal to QA by Q. Reflective power is equal to the ratio of amount of heat which is reflected to the total amount of heat, that is Q. Now transmittive power is given by the ratio of amount of heat which is transmitted to the total amount of heat. So these are the definitions of the absorptive power, refractive power and transmittive power. Okay. So this is what regarding the previous class we have discussed the perfectly black body, that is black body radiation. It is also called as Ferris black body, absorption, reflection, emission. Okay. And also we have discussed the definition of absorptive power, reflective power and transmittive power. So today we stop here. So you should remember these all definitions: absorptive power, reflective power, transmittive power. Okay. And also you have to remember the absorption, reflection, emission. Okay. So we will stop here today. In the next class we will continue with the next topic. Thank you, dear students. And one more thing here, dear students, I forgot to tell you that. So absorptive power for a perfectly black body. So here absorptive power is denoted by, that is A, capital A. Here I have written here this absorptive power A. R means reflective, T means transmittive. Okay. So A is equal to QA by Q. Here absorptive power for perfectly black body is always unity. Okay. Absorptive power, I am writing here, absorptive power for perfectly black body is unity for perfect perfectly black body, the absorptive power is always unity, and for reflective it is always 0. Reflective power for perfectly black body is 0, and transmittive power for perfectly black body is also 0. Okay, so these all points you should remember. Absorptive power for perfectly black body is unity, absorptive power for perfectly black body is 0, and absorptive power for black body is always 0. Okay, so this is what you have to remember. So just have to remember these points. So this is what in today's class we will discuss. In the next class we will discuss the next topic. Thank you.